Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my moisture routine, and I moisturize my hair at least 4 to 5 times a week because it is color treated. So here are the items I use. I use rose water. I also use aloe vera juice, which I put into the spray bottle. I also use Jamaican black castor oil that I put into this bottle. And I also use Melanin Hair Cair Oil that I use for my scalp. Today I'm going to be moisturizing with the rose water. Sometimes I use rose water and other times I do use the aloe vera juice. I kind of alternate depending on the day, but I do like how both of them moisturize my hair. And I have also tried by combining them both into a spray bottle also, which also works for me. So I spray my hair until it feels pretty damp. Not really soaking wet, but damp enough to the touch. I also use the water to kind of straighten out some of my locks. Since they're short, they do bend pretty often in the back, especially where they rest on my neck. So I kind of use the rose water to help straighten them out. So now I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil, which is in this bottle, and I use about this much. It doesn't take really that much. This oil is very thick and it's kind of sticky. The stickiness usually does wear off after a while. So I just concentrated on all of my locks and I just spread it throughout my hair. Now I'm just going to take the Melanin Hair Cair Oil, and I actually do add a few drops of tea tree oil in it because I do like to stimulate my scalp. So I just add the oil to my scalp and I just massage it in. And that is pretty much it for my moisture routine for my Locs. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.